Hello everyone, welcome to Honara's Arts and Lifestyle channel. Many of you had a lot of inquiry like what can be offered on a Varamahalakshmi festival as a Naivedhyam for Lakshmi. So I just thought of making this video where I can explain to you on various types of either cooked food or fruits or fried food or dry fruits that can be offered for Goddess Lakshmi. So without wasting much time, let me just get started. So some of these Naivedhyam that I am going to tell you now are very specific for Karnataka, and many of you may not be knowing on how to make these. So what I am going to do is I will be leaving links in the description box for each one of these Naivedhyam that needs to be prepared for Goddess Lakshmi. And believe me, these are very simple. You should be able to make them in 10 to 15 minutes of time. It is not time consuming and it is not even complicated. However, there are some fried food also which I have mentioned over here. They are also very easy to make it, but it may be too much of a short notice for you to make it for tomorrow. However, you can actually make it for your next Varamahalakshmi festival or even for any of your Friday pujas. I'm going to leave links for the recipes for all of these as well in the description box. So please do not miss to check the description box of this video. There are basically 4 types of Naivedhyam which can be offered for Goddess Lakshmi. The first variety are fruits. You can offer 5 varieties of fruits over here. The most commonly offered fruits are apple, orange or musambi, banana, pomegranate, pineapple, and grapes. You can offer any of the 5 varieties of fruits among these, and that should do for Goddess Lakshmi. Now the second variety of Naivedya which can be offered for Goddess Lakshmi is the cooked food. Now even when we say it is cooked food, either you can offer 1 variety or 3 varieties or 5 varieties. Usually in the temples and all, they offer 5 varieties. So the first one happens to be Rava Kheer. The second one is curd rice. The third one is jaggery rice, or we can even call it as sweet pongal. And the fourth one is sajge or suji ka halwa. And the last one is obbattu. We also call this as puran poli, and basically there are 2 varieties in it. Either it can be made out of dal, tur dal, or it can be made out of coconut. Usually tur dal puran poli is something which is very famous and something which is offered for Goddess Lakshmi. So you can offer any of these cooked food for her and that should be fine. And now when it comes to dry fruits, you can offer 5 varieties of dry fruits for Goddess Lakshmi. And these are cashew nuts, raisins, badami, dates, anjura, and along with this you can even offer rock sugar or kalsakre for them. And these dry fruits can also be offered as Naivedya on a daily basis to your gods and goddess. Now the last variety of Naivedhyam which can be offered to Goddess Lakshmi, it is called as Bhaksha Bhojana, and these are usually the fried foods. Now the names of the items that I am going to tell you are the Kannada words, and I don't know what it is called in other languages. That is the reason why I am showing the pictures over here, so that you can understand what I am talking about. So the first one happens to be chakli. The second one is nippattu. The third one is kodbale. Then the fourth one is rava unde, or also called as rava laddu or suji laddu. The next one is called karji kai, and this is something which is very popularly also prepared for Ganesha festival, and this can actually be made in various flavors and all, but you can just make 1 variety of karji kai for Goddess Lakshmi. And the next one is kodbale, and the next one is something we call it as kobri mitai, or it is also called as coconut barfi. This I'm pretty sure many of you would have tasted in the sweet shops and all. And the last one is kadle mitai. This is also called as peanut chikki or groundnut barfi. So these are all the Bhaksha Bhojanas which can be offered to Goddess Lakshmi as a Naivedhyam whenever you are doing the Varamahalakshmi puja. So I hope you all have understood on what needs to be offered for Goddess Lakshmi as Naivedhyam.
So I hope you all have liked this video. If so, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get automatic notifications every time I release a new video. Thank you.